Hey everyone, in this video we are going to fix the issue where your ChatGPT app is having login issues or if it is not being logged in on your Android device. So let's head over and follow up some of the solutions available. So let's just get started. So we can start by checking out internet connection. We can go ahead and access our quick settings panel for that. And from there, look out for the network connection that you're connected to. Ensure that you have a correct Wi-Fi or stable mobile data connection, and that will allow you to do so. Also, make sure the application is updated to the latest version. So for that, go to the Play Store application and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you can look out for the search in the bottom and tap on it. And basically go ahead and search for ChatGPT here. And once you find ChatGPT, you can go ahead and look out for update for the ChatGPT if there is any kind of update available, because that should often resolve the glitches or any kind of issue that is happening. Also clear out up your app data and cache. Go to the settings application for that. And once you go to your settings, you can scroll down and find the option for apps and tap on it. And once you tap on apps, you can look out for the option of ChatGPT. Go to the search at the top, and from there, go ahead and search for ChatGPT and tap on it. And then once you find ChatGPT, all you gotta do is basically scroll down and find the option of storage and tap on it. And from there, look out for the clear cache option or clear data. And once you do so, you may need to log in after this step. And also restart your phone and try logging again. For that, hold your power button. And from there, look out for the restart option and tap on it and confirm it up. And you can just go over and open up CapCut again and try signing in and see if it works. And that's it. These are some of the solutions you can try out. If none of those works, you can directly contact the OpenAI server. And that way you can just go over and fix the issue. So that is it for now. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.